Welcome to Module 9. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. So to understand it, let's first review the history of electronic markets. Electronic markets 1.0 marks a period between 1997 to the year 2000. So I'm talking about telephone and later internet-driven connections of local and international exchanges that brought new financial products, including the birth of options. So founded by the National Association of Security Dealers, the Nasdaq began trading on February 8, 1971, as the first electronic stock market, trading for over 2,500 securities. Composed from computer and a terminal connected via telephone line, the Nasdaq offered the best VID display to the public. For its first few years, however, Nasdaq was not able to complete trades without a human broker input. In fact, the process was still painfully manual, requiring 3 to 7 days to process each trade. Some trades were initiated by phone, but for the first decade of the Nasdaq, most still occurred in the old school floor trading. There was some further development in electronic markets. So New York Stock Exchange, for example, first automated bond market system, check UNIVAC computers from 1974. Cincinnati Stock Exchange, first screen-based bulletin board with telephone negotiation built by Autex. New York Stock Exchange, automated execution of small orders happened in 1985. Intex fully automated exchange of features and options went online also in 1985. Electronic Markets 2.0 marks a period from, let's say, 2000 to 2015. It's internet, computation, and high-frequency trading stimulated the birth of trading mobile smartphone applications, mortgage assets. We witnessed rapid expansion of online brokerage firms. We witnessed user-friendly platforms, faster trading, lower fees. The conceptualization of day trading, online trading like a full job. The birth of zero-fee stock trading mobile apps like Robinhood, eTrade, Cash App, and others. So electronic markets 3.0 started from, let's say, 2015 on. We are talking about Web 3.0, computation, disintermediation, cryptocurrencies, blockchain as a new back-end technology enabled access to assets, simplicity of building new markets, the DeFi applications and things like that. The era of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges also, such as Poloniex, Bittrex, Kraken, Binance, and others. The birth of decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Ether, Delta, EDEX, paved the road for the future DeFi solutions. So we could define decentralized finance as a new financial paradigm that leverages distributed ledger technology to offer services such as lending, investing, or exchanging crypto assets without relying on a traditional centralized intermediary. DeFi also stands for blockchain-based form of finance that does not rely on central financial intermediaries such as brokerages, exchanges, or banks to offer traditional financial instruments, and instead utilizes smart contracts on blockchains. DeFi can stand for a global open alternative to the current financial system, an application that lets you borrow, save, invest, and trade based on the open source technology that anyone can program with. DeFi gives control and visibility over your money and exposure to global markets, while it enables SMEs to tap to the low interest liquidity, leveling the field with the big corporations that can borrow at extreme low interest fees. So let's dive into some DeFi use cases. While there are now DeFi use cases emerging every day, let's focus on 3 main ones. AMM, or automatic market makers, borrowing platforms, and staking platforms. So AMM, or an automatic market maker, are new token asset exchanges. They operate using liquidity pools to open instant token pair swaps. AMMs are decentralized in nature. They enable wallet-to-wallet, non-custodial token swaps. In the majority of cases, they do not require any KYC. You connect your wallet and swap assets in a permissionless manner. So borrowing platforms are smart contract-driven, decentralized apps that enable automatic crypto asset lending based on a specific collateral. For example, you lock 1 ETH and borrow 0.9 ETH. If you borrow US dollars against a crypto asset, for example, then your collateral is exposed to market fluctuations and you could be terminated if the price of crypto collateral falls under the specific margin. It's all automated by smart contracts, so no human intermediary is needed. Staking platforms are also smart contracts driven decentralized apps that enable automatic crypto asset staking based on the specific yield return. So to simplify, you stake your asset, ETH for example, and in return you receive yields. We must be reasonable here. If you see a 1000% returns, there must be something wrong, so be careful. Normal crypto yields are between 5 and 10% yearly.